Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11. Tower cleared.
Here we got a roll program.
Hello subscribers and hello YouTube viewers. On this occasion I'm in Greater Geelong. Now Greater Geelong is approximately a 1 hour drive from the city of Melbourne in Victoria, Australia. And I'm actually at the corner of Maiden Avenue and the Esplanade. So if you're interested to come to this exact location, that's the address you want to come to. Now I've been coming to this area probably 5 or 6 times in the last month. And I've noticed quite a number of ships that come and go, and from a distance they do grab your attention. So I thought on this occasion I'd pull out the drone and give you a bird's eye view of one of these crude oil tankers. So here we have the vessel Green Aura. It's a crude ship tanker built in 2019, so it's 2 years old and currently sailing under the flag of Liberia. Even though we can see the Greek flag there and the word Aegean, they're the actual owners of the ship. And it was built in partnership with a Chinese company, and the ship was actually built by COSCO Shipping of Heavy Industries in China. Now some other interesting information that might be of benefit to someone if they're into this sort of stuff. The vessel itself is 250 metres in length and 44 metres in width. For those who are curious about this drone I'm using, it's a DJI Mini Mavic 2. It's 249 grams, so it's very light. It's got a 10 kilometre radius range, and one of the beauties of the DJI products is that when I log in, I automatically log into CASA, which is the Civil Aviation Safety Authority for Australia, and it'll immediately notify me if this is a safe place or a legal place for me to take off. There has been a couple of occasions where I've gone somewhere and it's notified me that no, you cannot take off, and it doesn't allow me to take off if you use the software that is provided by CASA, which I think is terrific. So we can't make a mistake or do something illegal. So here we are coming close to the very end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. After watching it and creating it, it's one of those things I wouldn't mind putting on my bucket list. And what I mean by the bucket list, I wouldn't mind being on one of those crude oil tankers or just a commercial ship of some sort other than a passenger ship and make a journey with them to one of their ports of call that they do. I think it would be great fun. Anyway, so here I am coming into land. Just bear with me, I'm no expert in flying this drone. I'm very cautious. I noticed the power lines right there, and we're coming for a safe landing. So once again, please give me a thumbs up, make a comment, and get a hobby. That's the only thing I can suggest. So if you're an older person, I think one of the most important things that we could do for ourselves is get a hobby. It could be anything, be it ride motorbikes or make things out of wood, but I think it's important to get a hobby. And those who are young, it's never late enough to start or early enough to start to have a hobby as well. If you're not into sport, if you're looking for something to do, or you're just not very good at sport, find that hobby and really have fun doing it. So once again, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Bye for now.
Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.